Alright, there's the decals done. I got soap residue all over the truck. I have to clean it off tomorrow. Despicable. I like the orange on the blue. Turned out pretty good. So I just had these resized to fit this door. I used to put them on the driver's door or right there, but I have them shrink and put it right there. Turned out pretty good. I just had my team that worked here before COVID and stopped by. They took me out to breakfast this morning. We spent a few hours catching up. Awesome couple, man. I miss those guys. They were a great team. So anyway, awesome. Letting the mangy mud out. Anyway, we went and grabbed some breakfast, man, and caught up. So nice visit from Jamie and Eric. We'll see you guys on the next trip. Be careful. Come on, Ginger. All right, got the Duramax out. Got to go spend some money. Everybody likes to talk about how I spend money. Today we're going to buy 16 tractor tires. So we're going to go put all the used ones on here and take them to the store and get them recapped. The poor puppy's not happy. All right, well, we made it to the Loves. A beautiful red motor. Let's go check out the tires. That girl, man, she knocked them out fast. She kicked butt. 8 tires in an hour and a half. Let's see what a cinematic video is all about. Try to have a motion stabilization. Mobile stabilization. Is that how you say that? Video. Walking back to the truck. Go to the bathroom, come on. It's a long walk from the tire shop. Anyway, we used his Loves right here mainly because they had the tires in stock. I have a local tire dealer I normally do business with, but I went through a CR England Swift Logistics national account and got the tires for what would have been $340 each with FET and everything. And at my tire store, for me to buy 16 of them more, he would have gave them to me for $397 plus the tax and FET. So this was a better deal to go through here. I could have went through Ohio and saved tax, which would have been $430 savings, but I wouldn't have got my tires back. I wanted my tires back so I could have them capped to put back on the trailers when I turn the rentals in. I got 2 rentals, which I think I'm actually going to keep the rentals for a couple more years. Maybe not a couple years, but I have 2 new trailers coming in April. I was going to turn the rentals in. I'm going to keep them. Just put on 2 more trucks. So, could have saved the tax money by buying the tires in Ohio, tax-free state. But I chose to get them here so I can have the tires. Looks like my driver's over here checking out my tires. So let me holler back at you guys in a moment. There's the Yokohamas. It's not a bad looking tire. Look at that. That should last us hopefully a couple of years. We got 3 years out of them other ones. Remember that trailer? We picked it up 3 years ago. All right, let's go home. Okay, anyway, that wasn't too bad of a deal, was it? These tires, man, have worn fantastic. They still have a lot of tread left on there. I don't have a penny, but there's a lot of tread. all the way around. There's no flat spots. There's no dipping. These things were fantastic. I should have bought the same thing. These are Continental. Eco Plus HT3. That's what came on the factory. And hello, Ginger. They are fantastic, man. But driver called, so I think we might need some tires. And normally when he calls, said we need tires. Trust me, we need tires. But you know what? Man, we could have got 6 months out of these. So I'm not going to have these capped. I went up there to get them to cap them. I'm going to save these for turn-ins. So anyway, we'll stake them up here in the garage in front of the car over here and hang on to them for a while. So let's get to work unloading these things. So I went and found me is that going to focus? A Lincoln penny. Stick it in there. Look how deep that tread is, boys. See that? Doesn't matter where you stick it. All around this tire. These tires are beyond excellent. Wow. And we pulled all 8 of them off. I should have went and looked at them first time. Because I've never seen a tire last 3 years and wear completely even. No dipping, no flat spots. Absolutely perfect. Which is what is odd, because a year ago, these two right here dipped out and flat spotted really bad. So we had to replace them. I put 2 caps on a year ago. And even they held up. And he said they were looking pretty rough too, but man. You see that? Oh well. It is what it is. We'll put them up, reuse them for something. I'll be able to sell them some loggers right here. That right there will last a logger a long time. All right.